got skits, selling more than all you niggas is albums. Come on, put some respect on my name.
I give her good dick when she get anxious. Fuck her like I'm tryna make a statement. Fuck her till she asked me if I came yet. Fuck her back to sleep. She woke up and asked the nigga where the day went. Told her what I'm packing is sedative. Now I got her wetter than a wave is. We on the same wavelength.
One condom, Joanna, you package.
Oh,
Put in a condom.
oh.
Oh. What?
Put in a condom.
Because umbuzile ukuthi mina namakhondom nginawo.
So red. You don't take me seriously. When I'm condom, I tell you package. England. Package. I think you should go to the camera. I was supposed to tell you what a garage.
But umbuzile if do I have condoms?
10 kids in a condom. 10 kids in that.
Safe sex. Scrutinize.
Yindaba already. Yindaba namakhondom already. Yini? Awusho mina ku-showcase.
No.
Ku-showcase. Ungibizela loo nto leyo. Showcase. Ofaka item. Showcase. Ngiyamshaya.
I was just answering your question. You said do I have
Yindaba
sex?
ungeke uzusho anginayo.
What now?
Yindaba unawo. Anginawo.
You don't trust me?
Ku-showcase bi. That's what kumele ngitrust ngu-showcase.
No, but when you live it now, it's ungena lana fethu wena ulana mina ngilana.
Hey! Oh, already. Ephakathi na usho sinyuwa landa egarage.
Ngiyafana.
Hayi showcase ngiswe.
That's a skate, 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 skate. Got to skate, 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 skate. G.O.D. the only thing keeping me alive. If I O.D. it is okay. It's bring hell of a life. G.O.D.